The Palantir stock price fell by -1.15% on the last day, Monday, the 7th of August, 2023, from $18.20 to $17.99. It has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.11% from a day low at $17.01 to a day high of $18.39. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 10.23% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 34 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 104 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.88 billion. Ready to grow your portfolio? Here's your free beginner's guide to buying PLTR stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 67.24% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $26.74 and $34.32 at the end of this 3-month period. PLTR signals and forecast. The Palantir stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $18.79. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $16.50. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 1, 2023, and so far it has fallen -10.01%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. The ultimate guide for first-time investors: how to buy PLTR stock and grow your wealth. Support, risk and stop loss for Palantir stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $16.30 and $14.71. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $16.30. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.71 and $14.69. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.38 between high and low, or 8.11%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 6.14%. Our recommended stop loss, $17.09, minus 5.02%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 4 days ago. Trading expectations, PLTR, for the upcoming trading day of Tuesday 8th. For the upcoming trading day on Tuesday, 8th, we expect Palantir Technologies Incorporated to open at $17.80, and during the day, based on 14-day average true range, to move between $16.89 and $19.09, which gives a possible trading interval of +4/$1.10, plus or minus 6.10%, up or down from last closing price. If Palantir Technologies Incorporated takes out the full calculated possible swing range, there will be an estimated 12.19% move between the lowest and the highest trading price during the day. Since the stock is closer to the resistance from accumulated volume at $18.97, 5.45%, than the support at $16.30, 9.39%, our systems don't find the trading risk-reward intraday attractive, and any bets should be held until the stock is closer to the support level. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in Palantir. In the last 100 trades there were 11.15 million shares bought and 16.26 million shares sold. The last trade was made 7 days ago by Sankar Shyam, who bought 1.97 million shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Is Palantir Technologies Incorporated stock a buy? Palantir holds several negative signals and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold accumulate candidate.